I'm going to show you how to roll out your gluteal muscles on the foam roller. So that's the bottom for those of you who are not medical. We're going to get ourselves onto the foam roller. There's no good way to do this. And then we have to cross one leg over the other thigh to get into position. And you might want to get your weight a little bit more onto the side that you want to roll. And then you're just going to move up and down, feeling for those tight spots. So for me, I've got a few tight spots a bit further up the gluteal. So it's just really nice to feel your way around, find those points that are a little bit more tight, and then spend a little bit more time there. There's not so much room on the gluteal muscle for rolling, so you're going to do much smaller movements than you would for your hamstring or quad rollout. And you can just spend 1 to 2 minutes here rolling out the glutes, then change onto the other side. And if you do that every day, it'd be a really nice release for your bottom.